got to go on too. If you still doing this kind of call my boss on me every fucking 5 minutes, so if you stop doing it,
well, if you do your job instead of talking to everybody all night,
I do my fucking job every night.
Their job.
Maybe quit smoking so much weed so you can actually see what the fuck's going on.
I do see what the fuck's going on.
How? You should be sitting in the goddamn car smoking.
You're fucking talking to him, talking to him, talking to him. So,
wow, 5-10-minute conversation kills people, doesn't it, dumbass?
Shut the fuck up.
Make me! Get in that fucking car, shut the fuck up!